like this. Yeah.
Good morning. Hold up, let me get dressed. Alright, got dressed. Put on a clean fit. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be going to an Atlantic City car show. It is in the Showboat Garage. We're going to be leaving soon. So yeah, stay tuned. It'll be a little chill little vlog today. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned because there's going to be some crazy cars there. So yeah. Anyway, I got a feeling that this meet is about to be crazy. Like, I already know I'm about to see some crazy ass cars, and so are y'all, so make sure y'all stay tuned. But yeah, we about to head over there now. Alright, so we just arrived to Atlantic City. We're about to pull up to the Showboat right now currently, and I'm gonna try and record some cars. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Anyway, we out here in AC, and
In the place to be.
we're not that far from the Showboat. So yeah, I'll see y'all. Oh my god. Alright y'all, as y'all saw, we saw some pretty clean cars arriving to the car show. Directly behind me, that garage right there is where the meet is at. You can see tents and stuff all the way up there. Right now we're getting ready to walk up to the meet. So yeah, this meet is about to be crazy, I already know. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into this. Mustang back.
Feel like they going swimming.
Honda Civic Type R. Alright, so we're in a car meet, y'all. This is a very lit car meet. But hold on, I'm gonna record. to one of the lower levels, and as you guys can see, we've seen some very clean ass cars, and I was just very surprised because I've been to a lot of car shows in my life, but nothing like this. The Atlantic City car scene is absolutely insane. If this is the type of cars that be out here every day, I would love to live here. I remember when we were inside the garage, I kept looking at this blue RX-7 and this R35 GTR with flames on the side, and these cars just really caught my eye, and I was very surprised. And I just want to say shout out to everyone who put this meet together. This meet was absolutely insane, and I absolutely freaking loved it. I also remember that we went back up, and I also kept looking at this red Mitsubishi Eclipse, and it really caught my eye on how clean it looked. And it actually reminded me of the green Eclipse from the Fast and the Furious, and that's why I actually loved it so much. And I don't know, it just really caught my eye. We then went back down into the garage, and we also seen a lot of clean cars. But a car that really caught my eye, and it was because of my girlfriend, is this, I think it was blue and pink Miata, because this is a voiceover, I don't really remember what it looked like. But it was a Miata, as you can see currently. And it was just really clean, and it really reminded me of her. And yeah, I really got her into Miatas, so yeah, that's why I thought this car was really clean. We then went back up once again, and as you can see, I seen a very, very, very clean, I don't really know what color it is, but it was like a goldish brown McLaren, and I don't know, dude, this thing was so clean. I love the color on it. And as you can see, we seen many more cars, and overall it was just one of the best meets I've ever been to in my entire life. There was also a bunch of Hondas on this floor. This was the very, very top floor, and it was just so clean. We've seen some Hondas, as I said, and two RX-7s. I think they were white and yellow. Really don't know what color because this is a voiceover, but yeah, this was, like I keep saying this, but this has got to be the best car show I've ever been to in my entire life, and I've been to many car shows. Anyway, that's enough of me yapping. Just enjoy some of these cars that I recorded with a little bit of background music. Anyway, yeah, enjoy this. When I get my Honda, I'm doing that too. I'm gonna do this. I love stands here. We also seen these RC cars drifting, and it made me a little bit jealous because my RC drift car is currently broken right now. We need a few new parts for it to fix it, and yeah, I was just really bummed. But anyway, these things were absolutely sick, and they had little engine noises too.
Okay, this one right here.
Anyway, this is just the rest of the cars that we've seen, with again a little bit more background music. So yeah, enjoy these. as we were leaving, we seen this pretty cool lineup of a few Hondas and another car that I forgot that it was. But anyway, yeah, this was just a really good meet overall, and I was super stoked that I got to see some of my dream cars inside of it. With that being said, that is the 2024 Showboat Garage Car Show. We're gonna go ahead, head on home. But nah, this car meet's gotta be one of the craziest and nicest car meets I've ever been to. Seen some of my dream cars there, loud cars, everything. Anyway, we're gonna head on home. There's still cars coming. But yeah, we're gonna head on home. We've already been here for about 4 hours, so yeah. We're gonna head on home. Oh yeah, and as we were leaving, we also seen this Honda pull up next to us, and he noticed that I was recording him, and he gave me a few revs, and his car just sounds really clean overall. So yeah, if y'all find out who he is, make sure to give him a follow. I don't know if he has Instagram, TikTok, or whatever, but yeah, all right, y'all, really cool dude. We just arrived back home. That was gotta be one of the most amazing and craziest meets I've ever been to. But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned for more car meets, more car content, and everything. This is gotta be one of my best vlogs, and my first vlog too. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace out.
Like this. Yacht.